Alright, so let's talk about what a perpendicular line is. So a perpendicular lines, again, we have to talk about two lines because it's a relationship. Okay? These lines intersect at right angles. Okay, so if I were to draw perpendicular lines, this line would be perpendicular to this line because where they meet, at this point here, the angle is created is a right angle. It is 90 degrees. Okay, so we're talking about slope with parallel lines. So for perpendicular lines, okay, the slope of these lines, so the slopes are, it's going to be a little bit confusing at first, but they are opposite reciprocals. So remember, reciprocals are flips. Okay, so like when we think of your key change flip, the flip, where we switch the top and the bottom, that's what a reciprocal is. So if I have the line y equals 4x plus 1, a line that is perpendicular to this line has a slope of the opposite reciprocal. So opposite, okay, well, it's just, this line has a slope of 4. The opposite reciprocal of 4 is the negative flip. So negative flip. So if my first line has a slope of negative 1/2, I take the negative. Okay, if I take the negative and negative, that's a positive. And then the flip. So instead of 1/2, it's 2/1, which is 2. Alright, so if I have to start with the slope of this, my perpendicular slope is these slopes. So if one line has a slope of 3/2, my perpendicular slope is the opposite, so negative, flip, or reciprocal, so 2/3. Alright, so that is what perpendicular lines are in relation to slope.